Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X5c Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, we will swipe down from the top right side of the screen like so, and you want to find your Do Not Disturb mode. It should be added by default, I think. Let's see if I can find it. And I can, right here. As you've seen, I did need to swipe down on this list, which extends it, but if you can't find it even after doing this, it might mean that you need to add it. And you can do so by clicking right here on this button, swipe up on this list right here, and then find your Do Not Disturb mode from the list right here, which, okay, that's basically everything here. So when you see the Do Not Disturb mode in this list, hold it. As you can see, you can grab the application that you're holding and drop it. Click on done, and now it's added, which that's what I added right here. But anyway, looking for Do Not Disturb mode, once it's in the toggle or control center, you want to hold it again, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And here at the very top you have the option to turn it on and off, which you don't really need to worry about. We can do that in a better way. We have the schedule, so you can create multiple schedules, have them run at the same time. This basically means that your device will turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode at a specified day of the week, start and end time. And then below that we have allow interruptions, so we have ringtones, so that's basically calls for everyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. Choose whichever one you want, but just know there's another option enabled by default, which is the repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass the option you have selected right here above. Now this might be a good option in case of emergencies, so you might want to keep that on. And the last one will be messages, same as calls, or ringtones more like, which gets you the option for people to everyone be able to message you, contacts, favorite, contacts, or no one. Again, select whichever one you want. Just know this one doesn't have the same perk of a 15-minute contact message. Anyway, once everything in here is set, you can find this toggle once more, tap on it. First time around gets you this pop-up, Do Not Disturb mode. When enabled, calls and notifications will be silent, alarms will ring as usual. Now we can check the box right here so this pop-up doesn't show up ever again, and click on enable. And you can see right here it's now turned on. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you enable it manually, like I just did, you will also need to remember to turn it off yourself. Otherwise, this mode will run indefinitely in the background. The only time it won't run indefinitely is if you also have a schedule mode set up. Now, if you want to have like a kind of safety net, because you tend to forget to turn it off, you could set up a schedule that runs every single day, for instance, somewhere in the middle of the night, whatever time for you feel comfortable. Maybe specifically I would suggest when you're sleeping, and it only runs for a single minute. So it would mean that the device would try to turn on Do Not Disturb mode, but it's already on, and 1 minute later it would turn it off, therefore leaving the Do Not Disturb mode altogether. So that would be kind of a way around it. But if you remember about it, you can just tap on the toggle once more, and this will obviously turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.